Okay, so today we're going to take a look at something I've been wanting to look at for quite a while. It is the welcome pack from Bold Precious Metals. As many of you know, you can get this as a first-time buyer, or at least first-time ordering this welcome pack from Bold Precious Metals. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so we got the package here. Let's go ahead and get her opened up. Be very careful about cutting here, but I'm anxious to see what's inside this Bold Precious Metals envelope. So I've got it trimmed off here, and let's get inside here and see what we have. Set the envelope aside, and we have the invoice that came with it, and it looks like we have ourselves 5 nice rounds. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. Pretty well packaged. They're in flips, which most of the time that's what these companies send. They don't spend the money on the airtight capsules. Let's take a look at the first one. It's a 2018 Maple Leaf. Looks really good. Take a look here. Got my light bouncing off it. Maybe if I take it out of the flip, it'll not be so shiny. Yeah, very, very nice coin. Flip it around here. Just beautiful. So let's set that down here. Let's take a look at another one. This is the one from another beautiful coin. Looks like it might have a little toning on it. Got a little bit of mist there on the face, and then flip it around. I believe this is called a Britannia, and it says it's a 2018 1 ounce of fine silver. And turn it around here, put it right side up so we can see it. Very nice looking coin. And and got the queen on the front. It says 2 pounds. I'm in America here, so we don't really deal with pounds, but we know others do. So let's take a look at our third coin. Oh, this is the Philharmonic. I do not have one of these, so this is cool. Again, I need to get myself some white gloves. Some nice cotton gloves. I don't have any. But just another just absolutely beautiful coin. Flip it over. 150 euro. This is a little different from what I'm used to seeing because there's no reading on the edge. Most of the bullion I deal with has a reading on the edge, so no big deal. They just choose not to do it, but this is just feels different. You're expecting to have it. Guess it kind of helps you grip it a little bit too. That's why I'm noticing it. But just another beautiful coin. So let's put that one down here. Here's another one I do not have in my stat collection. It is the Kangaroo from Australia, and this is a really sharp looking coin. I like it a lot. Again, it's got the queen on the front side of it. Really nice. The edges are reeded. And get the Kangaroo. So a couple nice additions to my silver stat collection. Very nice. And then last but not least, the good old classic American Silver Eagle. 2018. So we know these are rated as well. And perfect coin. Really like it a lot. Very nice. So these coins, if you just do a flip like that, like a 180 flip, goes top to top. So that was what was kind of throwing me off on some of these other ones. Like if we do it with the Philharmonic, flip it like that, it's upside down. So I'm not sure what determines when they do that. Probably just a manufacturer preference. Do the same with the Kangaroo. I try to do the 180 flip on it. It's upside down. So these ones, I have to flip them over side to side like that. Still a nice coin though. And here, the maple leaf again. Let's try flipping that one up. Nope, it's upside down again. So, with these, you have to go side to side. Just fine, just different. And let's take a look at this one. Here's the queen. Flip it up. Nope, it's upside down. So we'll roll her around. Take a look. Now if we flip side to side, that's straight up. I'm wondering if you can catch the, I guess I'd call that a big old milk spot. I don't know if these ones suffer the milk spots as bad as the Canadians do, Canadian maple leafs, but definitely see the white going across here and even over here as well on the edges. And seems to be that, with it being a 2018, see the 2018 on there. Seems that as a newer coin, it'd be pretty quick for it to be spotting already. But I'm not familiar with these coins. I'm not sure if they suffer the milk spotting like the other ones do. But this one definitely has some spotting on it. But I did get it for spot price, and it is a bullion, so I'm not that concerned about it. But one thing to be aware of with the bold order is that you do have to pay shipping if you don't order anything else. So I did have to pay, I believe, $6 in shipping. So I didn't get them exactly at spot, but I got them pretty close. So it's about another buck a coin. I didn't want to get my order too high cost wise, so I decided to pay the shipping on it. Still a nice set of around the world bullion coins, and like I said, 3 out of the 5 I do not have. I already got some toning going on with these things. Gonna have to get them in some airtight capsules and just keep them looking pretty. But anyway, that's about it. Just wanted to open this up, show off my new collection of international type bullion, and obviously another 5 ounces added to the stack, and I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks for watching. Leave any comments below, and let's keep talking bullion.